Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to take screenshot and screen record on the latest Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. So it is really simple. You need to hold the power plus volume down to capture the current screen. I will try power plus volume down. Now screen is captured. Now you can tap on the edit button to make some changes, like I am cropping, and you can also add some text if you would like to. You can change the color, font, and you can also directly share or save it. Now if you would like to capture the whole page, like I'm opening a new page, this web page, and you want to share the whole page, again hold the power plus volume down, and now tap on the capture more. So you are now getting the full page preview. I will hold and drag it down. Now as you can see, now again you can also tap to edit the image, like highlight some text or share it, or you can directly save it. Now to access the captured screenshot, go to Photos app and tap on the library. Now here is the screenshot folder, and you can find all the screenshots that were captured. Now to screen record the video, it is also simple. Drag down the notification tray, and here is the screen record option. Now when you tap on the screen record button, you get to record the audio and show touches on the screen. So if you want to record the audio, then enable this and it will also record your audio. So I am starting now. Now to stop the record, you can tap on this stop. Now here you can now watch the recorded screen video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.